My name is Mike Collette. I'm the owner of Prototype Training Systems, and I want to show you the technique on the single arm dumbbell row. So this is a video of me demonstrating the start. There's a couple different variations in this video that you can see, but to start, you can have same side arm, same side knee in contact with the bench. You want to make sure the back is nice and flat here. Notice how the dumbbell, you can also use a kettlebell as well, or any single arm object. And the dumbbell slightly out in front of my torso here. And the focus and emphasis is on letting that shoulder blade glide across your spine, or rib cage, I should say, and pulling that elbow towards the hip. So notice how a few reps here, how I reach that dumbbell down, and then pull towards the hip. That's going to engage your lats fully. So just pausing this here. Notice how my back's nice and flat, my head's nice and neutral. I'm not flailing my neck on that single arm row, and just a nice controlled movement. Now, as I reset in a second here, I'll show you the second variation. So both are fine. Just I like to use these two options here for the single arm row. If you tend to have lower back pain, this option here may not be the best option. So the side where the arm and knee, or hand and knee, are on the bench may be a better or more comfortable position, but feel free to try both. But the concept's the same. You just have one point of contact with the bench, which would be my opposite hand. Notice how the dumbbell's just slightly out in front of my shoulder and my torso, and I'm reaching the shoulder down, pulling it close to the hip, reach, let that shoulder blade glide, and pull. And so what we want to avoid doing here, so let's pause it for a second. What we want to avoid doing is shrugging the shoulder or making a very arm dominant movement. Remember, this is to train your lats, those big muscles that go from your arm all the way down to your lower back. Those are the muscles that can help you do a pull-up as well. So again, it's a reach and pull, nice controlled movement here on the single arm row.